Let's have a look at the following situation. We created a sequence with some cues and we used some position presets. And this looks very nice. We have a straight look and we have a kind of star created with our floor spots. But now we all know the situation where some people running around the stage and they are hitting some moving lights and all of our position presets are destroyed now. So the look is not looking very good anymore. We can see this, everything is destroyed and we have to adjust this. That's the place where we can use the pan tilt offset functionality, which is implemented now in grandMA3 version 1.5. And the good thing, we have a massive workflow improvement when we want to do this. So what we are doing is we select the fixture which was destroyed or disturbed by our nice colleague on stage, and we want to adjust the position again. So we use this fixture, we go to the pan and tilt, and we adjust our position a little bit so that it looks nice afterwards again. So maybe like this. Yeah, better now. So now our star looks again very great. So our position values are active, and what we can do now, and this is a massive workflow improvement in grandMA3, we can just use the command store offset. We say please, and again you can see that the store functionality has the same consistency everywhere. So where we want to choose the mode for storing offset values into the fixtures, we can say merge, and it merges the offset values directly. So when we clear now and we have a look at our output again, we can see all of our looks are repaired again. So everything looks great because we set the offset values directly. And having a look at the patch, we can see that these offset values for my fixture I just had to repair are immediately added to the pan and tilt offset columns here directly. So we do not necessarily have to go to the patch and adjust the offset values here, but we can use the store offset command directly. We can choose a preset, adjust the values, say store offset, and the pan and tilt offset values will be used directly. This is a massive and nice workflow improvement in grandMA3 version 1.5.